Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host.
Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Nan Montgomery. Nan is the SNAP educator here in Warren County. Good morning, Nan.
Good morning, Kristi.
Nan, you do so much here in the community. You offer a lot of classes and programming, and you are here to tell us about an upcoming class that you have going on.
Yes, so I'm so excited. This is going to be the first Cooking Through the Calendar class, and so it is going to run January 2020 through December 2020, and it is going to meet the second Monday of every month. And so, Cooking Through the Calendar, you are going to get this awesome 2020 nutrition education calendar. And our first recipe is going to be a citrus chicken stir fry, and this is amazing. I'm so excited to be able to cook with you all. So an awesome thing about our class is each month we're going to focus on a different nutritional topic. So maybe it's limiting your fat, sodium, and sugar in your diet, how to incorporate breakfast into your diet if you're not eating breakfast, because I know a lot of people skip breakfast or they don't want to eat breakfast or whatever the circumstances, or maybe they're not eating a very healthy breakfast. We're going to talk about how to read food labels, keeping your food safe, how to calibrate those meat thermometers and actually properly cook your meat to the proper internal temperature, and then we're going to cook a different recipe for each different class.
Now, Nan, what is the actual date of the first class?
So the first class will be January 13th. It'll be from 5 to 6, and it's going to be at the Warren County Extension Office, which, if you've never been to our Extension Office, we're located at 5162 Russellville Road. We're beside Huck's. And then, you know you've gone too far if you get to Rockfield Elementary here in Bowling Green.
Okay. Now, is there a cost to the class?
No, so there's no cost, and you're going to get these really cool incentives. So we have measuring spoons and bowls and knife sharpeners and pot holders. So each time you come to a class, you're going to get a cool door prize, and you're going to get to eat. So I mean, that's just awesome.
I love free stuff.
Yes.
Now, Nan, I see that you have a very colorful plate right here. What is that?
So this is what we call the My Plate, and this is what our dietary guidelines are based upon. So you can see that we have the 5 food groups, and that's actually going to be our topic for the first class. We're going to make the citrus stir-fry chicken, and then we're going to talk about the My Plate, because this is the building block. So if you don't know about the My Plate, then you really can't get a basis for an overall health. So maybe you don't know how many fruits and vegetables you should be consuming, or how much grains or protein or dairies in your diet. We're going to specifically talk about that, and it's going to be tailored to you and your diet.
Now, I see that this My Plate is half fruits and vegetables, and
Yes.
I know that that is a struggle for me. Every day I'm trying to work towards that, and I'm sure many people watching have the same struggles, and so it sounds like this class is going to equip them with some skills,
Definitely.
as well as some recipes that they can put on their weekly routine.
Yes, the great thing about this nutrition calendar is that it focuses on in-season Kentucky crops. So maybe you're not familiar with what crops are in season in Kentucky. This calendar is going to have a feature crop so that you can get that at your local farmer's market. It's going to be fresh in season. We're going to teach you how to cook it. And then that is also going to help with your fruit and vegetable consumption, because unfortunately in Kentucky we're not getting enough fruits and vegetables in our diet. Only about 6% are consuming enough vegetables in Kentucky, and the other 8% are consuming enough fruit. So that's not a lot. We need to up that intake to be healthy.
If someone is watching and they want to sign up for the class, how can they do that?
So you can call me at the Extension Office. My number is 270-842-1681, or you can email me, nan.montgomery@uky.edu, or you can also look at our Facebook page. You are going to type in Warren County NEP, and our Facebook page will pop up for more information.
All right, awesome. Now, what if someone wants to come to this series, but maybe they can't come to the first meeting time? When is the next one going to be?
It is going to be February 10th, I believe, is going to be our next cooking class. Like I said, it'll meet the second Monday of every month at the Warren County Extension Office. If you can't, maybe you can't come to the first 2 or 3. Like I said, it's going to run all year long, so feel free to come at any time. Just make sure you RSVP so that we make sure that we have enough food for you.
Well, thank you so much, Nan. This sounds like a great opportunity. Maybe you are watching, maybe you have a family member or just a friend that you want to come and learn some basic cooking tips and some recipe ideas.
Definitely.
So if you are watching and have more information, contact your local extension office or Nan at the Warren County Extension Office. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope you have a great day.
If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.